Okay, this is a normal distribution question. It says the heights of adult males in a certain population are normally distributed with a mean. So X is distributed normal with a mean of 178 and a standard deviation of 7. So that's how you say X is distributed is normal with a mean mu and then variance. So that's sigma squared. So in this case, 7 squared. So the first bit says find the probability that a randomly selected adult male from the population has a height greater than 190. Okay, so we can do this using our normal CD function on the calculator, and that's what we're going to do. So if I go to my normal CD, so go to distribution, then normal CD, and let's just do a diagram. There's 190, and I want this up here. So you put in your lower value then. Your lower is 190. Your upper, I would do it as, so 190 is my lower. My upper, then I would just do 9.99 times 10 to the power of 99. This is on my Classwiz calculator. So 9.99 times 10 to the power of 99, that's what I'm doing. And my sigma is 7 and my mu is 178. So 7 for my sigma, my mu is 178, and then press equals, and what I get is the probability that X is greater than 190 is equal to 0.0432 to 3 sig figs. Let's see, is that what we're looking for? Height greater than 190, it looks good. Right. Next one says, find the probability that the height of a randomly selected adult male has a height between 170 and 185. So for part B, we want to find the probability that's between 170 and 185. Let me just check that, 170 and 185. Okay, so again, it's normal CD. My lower, much easier in this case, is 170. My upper is 185, and my sigma is the same as it was. What was it? 7. And my mu is 178. So we can just go into our normal CD. And when I go into normal CD, it's already set up with the same sigma and mu as before. So I might just change my lower to 170, my upper to 185. Press equals again. I want to keep that. Go down again. And then we press equals, and what I get from this is probably 170 is less than X is less than 185 is equal to 0.715 to 3 sig figs. Now, part C is a little bit different. Part C, it says if a random sample, so a random sample of 50 adult males is taken from this population, find probably that their mean height is less than 176. Okay, right, let me write this down again. Let me just copy this here. This is what we had. So that was what we had originally, and then it was 50. So bear with me a wee second. Okay, that's what we had. I would always write that down. But then what, so that, remember that was your X being distributed with a mean mu and a variance sigma squared. What we're going to look at now is X bar, so we have a sample and it's distributed with a mean mu, and the variance is going to be sigma squared over n. So in our case, your X bar is distributed with a normal distribution. 178 is still the mean, but the sigma squared over n is going to be 7 squared over 50, because remember your n was 50. We had 50 people, 50 adults, and we want to find the probability that their mean is less than 176. So we want to find the probability that X bar is less than 176. That's what we're looking for. So we'll just do a diagram. There's your 176. That's what we're looking for. So you want to go for, again, normal CD. and then your lower is minus 9.99 times 10 to the power of 99. So that's as close as you can get to minus infinity. Your upper is 176. Your sigma is, and this is how we put this in, instead of your sigma being 7, it's now 7 divided by the square root of 50. Let's look at that. That's a bit of tricks people. So that was your variance, remember? Your variance was equal to that. Therefore, your standard deviation is equal to the square root of that. So the square root of 7 squared is just 7, and the square root of 50 is square root of 50, so it's 7 divided by root of 50. So just do that on your calculator, do 7 divided by square root of 50. Your mean is still the same, it's 170. So if we do that, that means the probability that x bar is less than 176. So a wee bit of working out to do here, bear with me. My lower is now minus 9.99 times 10 to the power of 99. My upper, 176. My sigma is 7 divided by the square root of 50. And then on down, and my mu is 178. Press equals, and I get 0.0217 to 3 sig figs. And that is it. Done.